replacing the Air Dryer cartridge on a DAF LF E6. Start off by making sure that air pressure is all the way down. You don't want it going pop. Just keep pumping the foot brake until it says 0. This is on the near side of the chassis, inside. Get your filter strap and very slowly start moving it. These APUs are just horribly placed. Once it's unscrewed, clean out that gunk. Look at that, that is well overdue. Lubricate the new one, because these do get really quite stiff. Lubricate the new O-ring. And plop it on. Make sure you take the old one off first. Spin the new cartridge on, normally hand tight and then 3/4 turns. And build the air up, check for leaks.